Finland is the only non-NATO European Union state bordering Russia. Finland's official policy states that a wartime military strength of 280,000 personnel constitutes a sufficient deterrent. The army consists of a highly mobile field army backed up by local defense units. The army defends the national territory, and its military strategy employs the use of the heavily forested terrain and numerous lakes to wear down an aggressor, instead of attempting to hold the attacking army on the frontier. Finland's defense budget equals approximately €3.1 billion or 1.3% of GDP. The voluntary overseas service is highly popular, and troops serve around the world in UN, NATO and EU missions. Homeland defense willingness against a superior enemy is at 76%, one of the highest rates in Europe. In wartime, the Finnish Border Guard, which is its own military unit in peacetime, will become part of the Finnish Defence Forces. Let's know about Finland military strength 2019.